Hello, fabulous people. Welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell notification in order to get notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you for tuning in. Now, let's get right into today's video. As you can see from the title, this video is a deep cleaning and decorate with me video. And so, as you can see, I already started cleaning. So we're gonna start from the living room. And so anytime I clean, I start from the living room, then I move to the kitchen, dining room, and the other places in the house. So as you can see, I already started cleaning the couches. So this one here, I'm just vacuuming the couch to make sure dust that have been collected or any dirt that is in there will be removed. So I usually go around the corners, inside the middle, and get all the dust and all the dirt from it. So I picked out some non-scratch pads from the Dollar Tree. There they are. And I'm going to be sticking them under the legs of my chairs and couches to prevent them from scratching my floors. Be sure to check them out if you have chairs or couches that could damage your flooring. So cleaning this space is very easy and straightforward for me. I believe is because I don't have a lot of decor or a lot of stuff acquired in here. Now, I like to be minimal when I am decorating. I don't want too much. I don't want it to be too heavy. Now, everyone has their own preference. My preference is minimal decorations. So my couch, if you can tell, it's very minimalistic. Everything in here I feel is very minimalistic and I'm not doing too much. Yes, I like nice things, but not everything can fit in one room at once. As you can see, we're almost done with the living room and we're going to be moving to the kitchen pretty soon. Now, the vacuum cleaner is giving me a little hard time, but I just needed to adjust the settings and now it's going to be moving pretty smoothly. There it is. Yep, it started moving pretty smooth. Now, once I started cleaning, I realized it was collecting a lot of fiber inside the vacuum cleaner, and that is because the rug is new and it's collecting all the fiber on top of it. And yeah, that's what you see in the vacuum cleaner. So the plant in the right-hand corner there, that plant is by far the easiest indoor plant I've ever had to deal with. It is so low maintenance and it grows like crazy. When I got this plant, it was very tiny, and now I probably need to harvest some and grow them in a different pot, but this is the easiest plant you could ever have. Now, the name of the plant is philodendrons. Philodendrons. It's a Greek name and it means love tree. Now, philo in Greek means love and dendron is tree. So why not invite some love into your home? Onto the kitchen area. Now for the kitchen, I will start with the sink area. I will clean the dishes there. Now before I clean the dishes, I make sure that the sink is cleaned very well. Then I start cleaning my dishes in there. So that's what I'm doing now. And once all the dishes are done, I will move on to the stove area and clean the stove. I know it does not look like there are stains on these cabinets, but I keep scratching them or cleaning them. There are lots of stains on there, food stains that have been collected on there from cooking in this kitchen. So that's why I keep scrubbing there. So yeah, on camera though, it does not look like it, but it is really dirty. Now, the spray that I'm using is Lysol Spray. It is the food grade one. That's why I'm using it in the kitchen. So it is safe. I mean, don't go drink it, but it is safe to use in the kitchen. So that's why I'm using it here. The ones I will use for my washroom will definitely be different from this one. So I got these hand towels from the Dollar Tree. They are super soft and they're only $1. I love the colors that I got. They have different colors, but I decided to go with the ones that will match my kitchen, which is black and gray. They had white, but I didn't want to go with that because it gets stained easily. These are definitely my style. So we're all done with the kitchen and we're moving on to the dining room area. I got some vases from Home Sense, or if you're in the US, Home Goods, and they're really nice. I'm not really sure what theme I'm going with in the dining room, but for the purpose of this video, I'm just gonna put these flowers on the table into these vases and see how they work out. I might change them because I'm not a big fan of full plants or full flowers, so I might change them in the future, but this is what we're going with for today. So I also have this money tree. It is very low maintenance. So if you're looking for another low maintenance plant indoors, this is the right one for you. The dining room area is coming along pretty well. I love the painting on the wall. I got it from Home Sense or Home Goods. It was $179. It really matches my dining table. The gold pieces in there matches the candle holder on the table, and I really love it. Now, this mirror that I'm cleaning, I also got it from Home Sense. It was $79. I'm not sure if I'm gonna leave it there. It kind of works, but I'm not too sure. Maybe I'll move it upstairs. We'll see how it goes. So we're almost done, as you can see, because we're sweeping the floor. Yay! So yeah, I've been cleaning for the past 2 hours. Yes, it doesn't look like that on camera, but I've been cleaning for the past 2 hours. So I'm really excited that I'm almost done and I can finally get some rest. All right, fabulous people, this is the final look. So I definitely love what I'm seeing. If you love what you're seeing as well, please comment down below. Let me know. If you think there are any changes that I can make, please let me know as well. I'm always open for your advice. We're all family here, so let me know. If you like it, comment down below. But this is it for today's video. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share, comment, like. I truly appreciate all your support. Thank you and have a lovely day.